Hello student, myself IT Volvisor. Today we learn subject organization of commerce and management standard 12 chapter 2nd functions of management. We see the next fourth functions of management directing. We see the meaning of directing. Directing is the soul of management function. It is the process of instructing, guiding, communicating, inspiring, motivating and supervising the employees to achieve predetermined goals of an organization. Direction is a continuous function initiated at top level and close to the lower level through organizational hierarchy. It is a continuous managerial process that goes on throughout the tenure of the organizations. Director is the person who shows the correct path as well as guide the employees in solving the problems wherever necessary. A few philosophers called direction as life spark of an enterprise. Next, we see the definitions. Following are some of the important definitions of directing are as follows. We see the first definitions according to Theo Hyman. Direction consists of the process and techniques utilizing in issuing instructions and making certain that operations are carried out as planned. Second definitions according to Ernest Dell. Directing is what has to be done and in what manner through dictating the procedures and policies for accomplishing performance standards. Next, third definitions of directing according to Urvik and Drech. Directing is the guidance, the inspirations, the leadership of those men and women that constitute the real case of responsibilities of management. Next, we see the importance of directing. Directing refers to a process or techniques of instructing, guiding, inspiring, counseling, overseeing, and leading people towards the accomplishment of organizational goals. Supervision is an integral part of direction functions. The director supervises employees by observations, examining the report and behavior of employees. On the basis of the above definitions, the importance of directing can be stated are as follows. Which is the first importance of directing? Initiates action. Direction is the functions which support to achieve the plans with the help of employees. Every action is initiated through timely directions. Proper instructions are given to subordinates while completing their assigned task. The managers direct the subordinates about what to do, how to do, when to do, and also to see that their instructions are properly followed. Next, second importance of directing, integrates efforts. Communication is one of the elements of direction. It helps in integrating the efforts of all the employees and departments, which result in achievement of organizational goals. Integrations of effort is possible through persuasive leadership and effective communication towards the accomplishment of organizational goals. Third importance of directing, means of motivation. Means while directing the subordinates, their opinions are also considered. A manager identifies the potential and abilities of its subordinate and helps them to give their best. He also motivates them by offering them financial and non-financial incentives to improve their performance. It boosts the morals of subordinates. Fourth importance of directing, provides stability. Stability plays significant role in the growth and survival of the organizations. Effective leadership, communication, supervision, and motivations develop cooperations and commitment among the employees. It provides stability and creates balance among various departments and groups. Fifth importance of directing, coping up with the changes. Factors of business environment are always changing. Adapting to the environmental changes is necessary for the growth of the organizations. With the help of motivation, proper communications, and leadership, the employees can clearly understand the nature of changes and also the positive outcome of adapting to the change. For example, e-filing, use of robots at workplace, etc. Sixth importance of directing, effective utilizations of resources. Direction involves assigning duties and responsibility to everyone. Proper instructions and systems are developed to avoid wastages, duplications of efforts, etc. Subordinates are guided to utilize the resources, that means men's, machines, material, and money in the maximum possible ways. It helps in reducing cost and increasing profits. Seventh importance of directing, creates team spirit. Direction focuses on motivating the subordinates for group efforts. Group efforts or team spirit plays vital role in success of an organization than individual efforts. Therefore, the role of managers as a director plays very important role in guiding and motivating the employees to achieve the predetermined goals. Eighth importance of directing, explores capabilities of individuals. Every individual has various capabilities or potentials in addition to their formal qualifications. Directions help to identify and utilize their abilities for best performance by encouraging and motivating them, just like a leader. 9. Importance of directing, increases efficiency levels. Guidance and motivation is given to subordinates to perform at their best level. Being a leader, team spirit is created by the manager as well as proper techniques of supervision are used. It works positively and result into enhancing the efficiency levels of the whole organizations. 10th importance of directing, cooperation. Cooperation is necessary for smooth flow of organizational activities. It should be created by managers, that is director, from top level to the bottom levels of management. Healthy cooperation, teamwork, and higher efficiency level lead to attainment of goals. Thus, direction to subordinate is a basic management functions that includes building an effective work climate through motivation. Thank you very much.